Now I'm going to show you a little bit about module functions and adding in modules and how they work. If you consider a page just a container for a set of content, and that content is made up by a combination of different modules. So for example, on this page we can see there's two modules. We can see enter title here, which is relating to a HTML module. HTML modules are used for general content of any kind of HTML. It could be text or pictures or YouTube videos or anything you want to publish. On the left hand side here we've got a more bespoke module. This is for search for products, and this is from the shop modules, and we'll come to that later. But basically it means that you can create any page and apply any content onto that page, which gives you a very powerful publishing system. It means that you can create shop pages wherever you want to. It means that you can create content pages wherever you want to, and you don't need to go off and pay somebody else to do that. You can do it all yourself and have full control to display what you want, where you want. To edit the content of a module, you use the module menu on the top left hand corner of the module box. On every module box there is a module menu. For the HTML module, basically all we do is edit content. So we have two tags. We can use the edit content link here or the edit content from the module menu. I'll use edit content from the module menu, and you can see right away it takes us into a place where we can edit content and start typing straight away. I click save on the bottom left hand corner, and right away you see that we have text coming up in the box. You can also hover over and you'll see the blue edit pane coming up, and this is a quick edit to edit the content without any special commands. And you can see by hovering over it again I get the save button. Let's go back into edit content again, because this is the most frequently used content editing method. So here we can place any type of content. We can place pictures or text or any type of HTML, as I mentioned before. To insert pictures or links, follow the commands in the box to help you out. For example, the picture, click the picture, insert edit image. It comes up with a place where you can browse for pictures on your web server, or you can upload them directly to your web server. Here, for example, I'll pick out a picture that's on my file and make it a little bit smaller and align it to the left. I scroll down and I click save. Now if I want to look at this content as my customer would view it, I can click on the view mode in the control panel, and here you see we're starting to get our content put together. I'll go back, and finally I want to edit the title, and again I can hover over the title here with a blue pen, or I can use a module menu and choose settings, and every title you can edit in the settings. So here the module title, I can say and here again we can see that the permissions are arriving again, and these permissions are now inheriting from the page. So if you remember, when we created the page we chose all users, and now the permissions for all the content inherits from the page, so we don't have to change anything. I scroll down and I click update. There we go. So we can create more and more content. We just publish what we like into them. If we want to add more modules to the page, we simply select the module we want to use, into the pane we want to use. So here I'm going to create a new module. I'm going to enter this as a title in the control panel here. So a second promotion. And we'll put it into the content pane at the bottom. Just click the Add Module to Page. Here we see the second promotion now added, and again we can go into Edit Content to add some more text. Okay, but we mentioned earlier as well that we can add all sorts of other modules. In .NET Nuke, there's for example modules that apply to most subject areas you can think of. Blogs and forums and news, link lists, shop, anything you want to think of, there's probably a module for it. If it doesn't exist in the system here, just contact us and we'll try and put you in touch with a vendor that does have something for you. Okay, but we can also now demonstrate quickly how easy it is to show one of the shop modules. So what I'm going to do now is add in what we call a cat dashboard, which is a promotion area for different products, and I'm going to put that into the left pane. So you can see I'm going to start building content on this page now, and what this dashboard is going to do for us, it's actually going to show some newly added products in the system. So here we can change the title using our pen. Now we're going to configure this by using the module menu, and these settings you'll find in the catalog documentation. I'm going to show 3 new releases that have been put in the last 30 days. I'm just going to keep the output very simple and turn off all the other options here and just update. And here you can see already that we've built a new page with new content coming on here already. Now let's just show you how we can move this around again. If we move this into the center, we can see now that these products are coming into the center area. If I want to lay them out side by side, again I use the module menu for that. Here I'm going to use repeat columns for 3 and update, and already we can see that we're getting products and content on our area. But what happens if you want to delete a module? Well, again the module menu gives it away, and in there's a nice delete command that we can use. Okay. So now we can see we're building content very quickly, very effectively.